Have you ever felt trapped in an endless cycle of bills and financial worries? Do you dream of financial freedom but don't know where to start? What if I told you there's a clear path to break free, starting from scratch? Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, has developed 7 steps that anyone can follow to reach their first million. These steps aren't just theory, they are practical, proven strategies. It's time to change your trajectory and build the life you've always wanted. So let me teach you these 7 steps that will transform your financial life. But you need to start today. Each of the 7 steps is connected to the others, forming a powerful chain that only works together. Listen carefully to all 7 steps so you don't compromise the entire process. Imagine what your life will be like once you master these strategies. But remember, change only happens for those who truly take action, because every step you take will bring you closer to the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. Step 1. Start as a pawn to become a king. When we think about building wealth and achieving financial success, it's important to remember that everything starts with humility and a willingness to learn. No great empire was built overnight, and the journey to prosperity requires you to start small and progress gradually. Imagine you want to create a large company or accumulate significant wealth. To achieve this goal, it's essential to understand that no one starts at the top. It's like constructing a tall, solid building. The foundation must be strong, or everything you build on top could crumble. This foundation is made of learning, hard work, and patience. On your path to becoming financially successful, you might start with a simple job or a small business. In the beginning, you might need to take on jobs that seem small or unimportant, like serving customers, making deliveries, or handling administrative tasks. These jobs not only help keep the business running, but also teach valuable lessons about managing a company, dealing with people, and solving problems. Over time, this knowledge transforms into skills that will allow you to take on greater responsibilities and eventually lead with success. Just like a CEO who started at the bottom of the company, you'll understand how every part of the business works and be able to make more informed decisions. Remember, building wealth securely requires patience and the willingness to start from the bottom, learning and growing along the way. When you dedicate yourself to learning and respecting the stages of the process, one day, with effort and persistence, you'll have the chance to lead and grow your wealth solidly. That's because along the way, you'll have earned the trust of others and acquired the knowledge needed to make wise financial decisions. Step 3. Have something external that humbles you. On the path to financial success, self-confidence is important, but humility is equally essential. Keeping your feet on the ground, even with success, can make the difference between keeping and losing everything you've achieved. When you start to achieve financial success, it's easy to feel in complete control, especially when the first signs of wealth begin to appear. However, it's vital to have something in your life that keeps you humble, that constantly reminds you there's always more to learn, and that success can be fleeting if not managed carefully. Imagine, for example, that you've started making a lot of money with a new business. Everything seems to be going well, and you feel nothing can stop you. But then, the market changes and you face unexpected difficulties. This experience can be a reality check, reminding you that financial success requires constant adaptation and that the market is always unpredictable. Engaging in activities like sports, where you can lose a match even after giving your best effort, or facing business challenges that require resilience, are ways to keep your feet on the ground. These challenges teach the importance of persistence and continuous preparation, essential qualities for those who want to accumulate and maintain wealth. Additionally, these moments of humility help develop empathy and understanding, which can be crucial when building and leading teams or understanding customer needs. Being able to learn from your own mistakes and restart intelligently is one of the keys to building lasting financial prosperity. Step 4. No casual dating. At the beginning of the journey to building wealth, it's important that your priorities are clear. Focusing on personal and financial development can be more valuable in the long term than being distracted by casual relationships. In the pursuit of financial success, time and energy are valuable resources that should be used wisely. When you're young, it can be tempting to get involved in many casual relationships, but this can end up diverting your focus from your main goals, which should be to build a solid foundation for the future. Imagine you're trying to save money to invest in a new business or buy something that can generate income in the future. If you get distracted by casual dating, you might end up spending time and money on things that don't contribute to your financial growth. Instead, focus on building your capital by acquiring knowledge, skills, and experiences that will help you prosper. This doesn't mean you should avoid relationships. If you find someone who shares your values and supports your ambitions, that person can be a valuable partner on your journey to success. A serious and stable relationship can offer the emotional support needed to face financial challenges, as well as provide a solid foundation for future important decisions. But if that type of relationship isn't part of your life right now, don't worry. Use this time to focus on yourself and your financial goals. The more you invest in your own prosperity now, the greater your freedom and stability will be in the future, allowing you to choose your relationships more consciously and strategically. Step 5. Keep your circle small, but your influence large. In the financial world, having a network of contacts is essential, but it's even more important to know whom to trust. Building solid relationships can be the key to long-term success. In the business and finance world, it's common to know many people and have a wide network of contacts. However, it's important to understand that not all these contacts will be true friends or reliable partners. It's crucial to build a close circle of people you truly trust and who share your values. Think of your network of contacts as an investment portfolio. Just as you carefully choose where to put your money, you should also choose whom you associate with. Having a small group of trusted and loyal people by your side is like having a diversified and secure portfolio. These people will be the ones who support you in difficult times and stand by you when it's time to make important decisions. At the same time, it's important to maintain a good reputation and be respected by a wider circle of people. This may mean being polite, reliable, and professional in all your interactions. That way, even if your inner circle is small, your influence and reputation can be large, which can open doors to new business and investment opportunities. Maintaining this balance between a small circle of trust and a large influence in the business world is essential to building a solid career and lasting financial prosperity. It ensures that you'll have the support needed to face challenges while continuing to expand your opportunities and reach new heights of success. Step 6. God will test you. Making money is only part of the equation for achieving financial prosperity. The real challenge is keeping and multiplying that money, proving that you're ready to manage great responsibilities. When you start accumulating wealth, the real challenge is not just making money, but keeping it and making it grow securely. Many people who make money quickly, whether through successful businesses, investments, or other opportunities, may feel tempted to spend without thinking, believing that the money flow will never stop. Imagine you made an investment that turned out very well, and now you have a significant amount of money. The temptation might be to spend on luxury items, expensive cars, or extravagant trips. However, if you give in to this temptation without careful planning, you could end up compromising your financial future. God, or the universe, might test your ability to manage this newfound wealth. If you're not careful, you could lose it all as quickly as you gained it. To ensure your financial prosperity is lasting, it's crucial to maintain discipline and keep learning. This means investing your money wisely, diversifying your assets, and avoiding unnecessary debt. Remember that true wealth is not just what you earn, but what you can keep and make grow over time. Additionally, it's important to have a contingency plan to deal with the unexpected. The financial market can be volatile, and even the best plans can be challenged by unexpected changes in the economy. By preparing for these tests, you'll be better equipped to maintain your wealth and continue prospering, regardless of external circumstances. Now, let's move on to the seventh and final step. So leave your like on the video. This is a small gesture of appreciation that means a lot to me. Step 7. Invest early and wisely. Time is one of the greatest allies in building wealth. The earlier you start investing, the greater your wealth will grow over the years. On the path to wealth, time is one of your greatest allies. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money will have to grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. Think of your money as a seed you plant today to harvest the fruits in the future. If you plant early and take good care of this seed, it will grow into a strong tree that will bear fruit for many years. Investing wisely means choosing where to put your money in a way that it grows safely and consistently. This can include investing in real estate, stocks, mutual funds, or even in your own education or business. The key is to diversify your investments so that if one doesn't work out, the others can compensate. When you invest in assets that increase in value over time, such as real estate or stocks, you're building a solid foundation for your financial future. These investments not only protect your money from inflation, but also have the potential to generate passive income, which can be reinvested to continue growing your wealth. Furthermore, it's important to avoid investments that are too risky or promise quick and easy returns. Often, these investments are unstable and can lead to significant losses. Instead, focus on investments that, while they may grow more slowly, offer security and stability in the long run. Remember that investing is not just about making money, but about building a secure and prosperous future. The earlier you start and the more disciplined you are in your investments, the sooner you can achieve financial independence and enjoy the life you've always dreamed of. Congratulations on dedicating your time to learning and reflecting on the essential steps to building a prosperous and secure financial life. Remember, the path to wealth and success begins with the right mindset, humility, and the willingness to learn and grow every day. Now, I invite you to comment on this video and confidently affirm, "I am a rich and prosperous person." By making this affirmation, you are planting a powerful seed in your subconscious, aligning your thoughts and actions with the prosperity you desire to achieve. Additionally, to further deepen your knowledge and get inspired, don't forget to watch the 2 videos that are appearing on the screen. They have been specially selected to complement what you've learned here and help you take the next steps toward your financial prosperity. Take control of your financial future, and remember, wealth begins in your mind. You've already taken the first step. Keep moving forward.